Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to download and install the Xbox application on your iPhone or your iPads. If you're an Xbox enthusiast looking to stay connected to your gaming world on your iPhone, then this video is for you. First of all, open up the App Store on your iOS device. Make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet as well and go to the search box at the top and type in Xbox. Once you search for it, look for this application that says Xbox from Microsoft Corporation. Once you are done, tap the Get or the cloud icon to start downloading the app on your device. If you have never downloaded the app on your iPhone previously, then you'll need to authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password to get the download process started. Finally, once the download is done, tap on Open to open up the Xbox app. And now you can go ahead and set up a console or sign into your existing account. Once you're inside, you can then go ahead and chat with friends, manage your console, get Game Pass access, and share your content to your favorite social networks. So that's how you easily download and install the Xbox application on your iPhone or your iPads. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.